Welcome to ASAM Connect, a place for you to connect with peers and share strategic advice, solve challenges, and develop new approaches. In this tutorial, you will learn the basic how-tos of ASAM Connect so that you too can start discovering different communities and enriching your experience and learning opportunities. Let's get started! To access ASAM Connect, go to connect.asam.org, or you can log in to your ASAM member account. Click Visit Profile, find the Community tab at the top of the page, and click ASAM Connect. Click Sign in the top right corner. Your login information is the same as your ASAM member account. When logging in for the first time, you will need to agree to ASAM community rules and privacy guidelines. Once you have reviewed and agreed to the guidelines, you will be redirected to the home page. On the home page, you will find quick links, a place to easily access recommended action items. You will also find recommendations for different discussions based on your interests. On the home page, you can also explore new communities, connect with others, and engage in new discussions. To access your profile, click the profile icon in the top right corner. Then, click Profile. Start by changing your picture. To do so, click Actions under your profile picture. Then click Change Picture. Upload your favorite photo of yourself. Let others know who you are by updating your information. Select Add to update your information in each section. If you need to update your contact details, please do so in your ASAM member account through ASAM's website instead of through ASAM Connect. Under My Connections, you can view your contacts, networks based on the information you have in common with others, communities in which you are a member, and any content such as discussions, libraries, blogs, and questions that you are following. Under My Contributions, you can see your summary of engagement, including points you've earned for engaging and contributing to communities, your ASAM Connect awarded achievements for participation, and a history of all the content you have published or drafted for different communities. Under My Account, you can update your privacy settings, email preferences, community notifications, and discussion post signature. Under My Inbox, you can access your ASAM Connect related emails, including emails sent to you by other ASAM members, contact requests, and community invitations. To access your communities, find the tab at the top of the page. Click Communities, then My Communities. From here, you can see all the communities you are a member of and select which community you would like to visit. To find a new community, look at the tabs at the top of the page. Click Communities, then ASAM Connect Communities. From here, you can explore all the available communities ASAM has to offer. Once you have found a community you are interested in joining, complete a community request form by clicking Click here to join a community. Please complete the entire form, making sure to hit Submit at the end. Requests will be approved within 1 to 2 business days. Network with other professionals by adding them as a contact. You can do this in a variety of ways. Click on the Network tab at the top of the screen. Then search for a specific person or location. When you want to make a connection, select Add as Contact, or hover over their profile and select Request Contact. While in a community, if you find someone you would like to connect with, click Actions under their name and select Add Contact, or hover over their profile and select Request Contact. Engage in your communities by reading and responding to discussion threads, or create your own discussion thread to ask questions or share your experiences. Click the Discussion tab to get started. Find a thread subject that sparks your interest. While reading the thread, you can like or reply to a post. To reply, select Reply. Type your response, then click Post. Your response should now appear within the thread. To create your own post, go back to Discussions and select Post New Message. Give your post a title. Add content, then click Post when you are ready to publish your discussion thread. Check out resources within a community by visiting the Libraries tab. When you find one you like, download it and save it for future use. If you have a resource you would like to share with others, click Create Entry. Title your resource and provide a brief description. Specify the type of resource you are sharing. Click Next. You will now be able to add your resource. Once you have selected or added your resource, make sure to click Finish to post your resource. Keep an eye out for the Daily Digest email. If you see an interesting post within the email, you can access that post directly by clicking on its title. All the information in this video and more can be found under the Help tab. Check out the Getting Started section and the FAQ section if you need help or have any questions regarding ASAM Connect. If you still have questions, experience technical difficulties, or have feedback regarding ASAM Connect, please contact us by clicking Contact Us under the Help tab. We look forward to connecting with you in ASAM Connect. See you there.